Camana Bay in Grand Cayman isn't just a residential development. It is a new town center, and its size and scale present their own unique engineering challenges.
The process of engineering the town itself was very complex in relation to your average developer who was producing a mixed-use development.
The engineers had to conform the existing site with the specifications of the master plan, which called for a sophisticated canal structure and a raised town center.
Well before we had a storm here, we recognized that we wanted a higher elevation. So the town center street level was set at about 7 feet, which was several feet higher than any other development in the Cayman Islands.
This higher elevation helps protect the town against storm surge, which will ensure buildings that will last for years to come.
As well, at the same time, we started to design the infrastructure, the canals, the shape of the canals.
As boating is a way of life in the Cayman Islands, Camana Bay created an inner harbor where visitors can moor their boats and visit the town center. This harbor is serviced by 4 thoughtfully engineered canals, linking the town center to the North Sound.
We wanted the canal system to truly have a water quality equal to, if not better, than the highest standards set in the United States. We hired coastal engineers, and using the very, very latest water circulatory software on computer, we worked out the tidal systems, the local wind patterns, and so on. Once the water really starts circulating, we should be able to see really perfect marine life.
With the canals dug and the ground raised, in 2005, Camana Bay officially commenced construction on its town center. In all aspects of the project's engineering, whether it be site work, building orientation, or energy use, great care and sensitivity is given to preserving and sustaining the island's precious natural resources.
The orientation of the town center isn't just a mistake. It was actually embedded in some truly of-the-place thoughtfulness. We had our own people designing the town around the prevailing winds.
In order to ensure proper orientation, a scale model of the entire town was put through a wind tunnel test in Ontario, Canada. Architects designed passageways to channel and distribute these prevailing winds throughout the entire town center.
Today, when you go there, I mean, as soon as you take a step from a place where there's a building in front of you and you're in one of those east-west passages, suddenly you feel that 3-mile-an-hour breeze, and if you're in the shade, suddenly, you know, it's very cooling.
Similarly, passive sun studies help guide designers to make refinements to Camana Bay.
We did extensive sun shading, incorporating the sun shading into the buildings, making certain that we had the trees on the right side of the road so that you compensated for any additional sunshine.
In terms of hurricane resistance, every structure at Camana Bay has been engineered to meet Miami-Dade's building specifications, one of the highest standards in North America. Conforming to these codes requires paying special attention to both materials and construction.
The entire external envelope of the buildings is certified for a hurricane rating. You know, so the glazing has to undertake a test where they can test for pressure cycles.
The commitment to engineering excellence also continues behind walls and underground. The town's air conditioning is sourced from a central chiller plant, providing an energy-efficient and economic cooling system. The chiller plant negates the need for unsightly and noisy units on top of buildings.
You don't see any exposed air conditioning equipment. The buildings generally are 4-sided buildings, so you don't have a back of house or a back alley.
Likewise, all the information technology systems have also been laid underground. These information technology and communication systems in Camana Bay are for world-class performance, reliability, connectivity, and convenience. All to create a town center more durable and more robust than anything that has ever been built in Grand Cayman.